In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the couldn't sign in error on Google Play Store. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say you're trying to open up the Play Store, but you might be trying to sign into a different account. Now over here, obviously you can sign into an account, but let's say you're getting an error. Even though you're typing in the right password, you might be logged into other devices. This could just very easily be a bug or a little issue that Google Play Store is having, but there's an easy way to fix it. So swipe out of Play Store completely like I just have. So you want no recently used apps being shown right there. Then all you got to do is swipe down on the top right, and then it's going to show the settings wheel icon on the top right as well. From here, all you want to do is scroll down, and you're going to find apps, which is right above device care. So click on that, and then all you got to do is scroll down until you find Google Play Store. You want to make sure it's Google Play Store and not Google Play Services, because there is a difference. So obviously the Play Store has that unique icon. Go ahead and click on that. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and force stop the application so that it's definitely not running in the background. So force stop it, press OK. Now scroll down. If that still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to usage, then go to storage. From here, go ahead and clear your cache. Now Google Play Store should definitely work, and you shouldn't be getting any sign-in errors. But it's that simple. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.